Hello Hacienda La Puente, this is Ricardo, one of your tech tosas, and today we are going to visit Flipgrid again. You might not know, but Flipgrid is a great tool for remote learning. Flipgrid is free, simple to use. It's a short video-based discussion on classroom topics. You pick the topic, and you, your learners, families can use Flipgrid at school, at home, and also to stay connected and continue learning experiences. The great thing about Flipgrid is that any educator can create it, so you do not have to be attached to your students on Aeries. You can create a Flipgrid and you'll be able to use it with your students. For educators, really quick, you could create a grid. Think about a grid as your class and each topic as your assignments, so you're able to create it really fast. You can post a discussion topic to get started, and you can add more topics as you move on. And also you can share your Flipgrid links or codes with your students, and the students will be able to join without having to be linked in Aeries. Another great thing about Flipgrid is that you have the ability to record your own videos, so your kids will be able to see them and they can answer on the spot. Just a couple of tips for pre-K to middle school. You can have our students do daily learning reflections. You could have them read books and do book talks, STEM thinking, project demonstrations, fluency and phonics. For high school, maybe we want to do a daily video journal, project presentations, language learning, peer review, a debate if you wanted to. So we are going to learn really quick. If you have never used Flipgrid, you will go to flipgrid.com and you want to sign up as an educator. So I'm just going to click on it. I have done this before, and it gives you the option to sign in with Google or sign up with Microsoft. So Microsoft is actually owned Flipgrid, so you usually get the latest updates when you are signed in with Microsoft. You have both of them, so go ahead and sign in with Microsoft, okay? Again, you're doing a sign up, so if I click on it, it's going to take me through signing up for it. I already have an account, so it's going to take me in there. So I'm going to pick my account. You will notice that for me, it's going to automatically log me into Flipgrid, but for you, it's actually going to take you through some steps saying what do you teach, what levels, what subjects, and so on and so on. But you are going to end up in something that looks like this. Let's make a grid, okay? So when you're ready to make a grid, you will just call it the name of your class or whatever you want to call it. Spanish to Mr. Racino's period 4. Okay, I can call it that. Okay, we have 3 types of grids. We have school email, which means that our students are only able to see your grid if they go in with their email from school, and we'll show you how to do that. For the little ones, you can actually create the students inside your grid and assign an ID, and it's just a number, and this gives you the ability to put a quick card that the kids can just use to log in, and a public grid, which means that it's open to the world. And we do not recommend this one for our students because you have to worry about media releases and so on and so on. So make sure you go with school email, which is what we're going to do. And I like to give my Flipgrid my own code, so something that is easy. So if I do Racino's, you will see that it's not available because I've used it before. So let's just do the one that was there, 995. So this will be something that kids are going to use to get into my grid, okay? So I'm going to set it up as a school email. And you can, again, decide which will be your Flipgrid code. Make sure you find something that is easy for our students. You're going to go next. Okay, and over here, by default, it puts the HLPUSD.K12.ca.us because it knows that you're signed in with that account right now. But some of us might want to also add the HLPnet.net account. Okay, and I'm going to press enter, and now only students that come in with an HLPUSD or HLPnet.net will be able to go in. Okay, I'm going to go next. Okay, so it's going. It's taking a little bit of time. So let's go next. So once you've created your grid, it will tell you your grid is created, and then it gives you the code for that particular grid. Now again, think about the grid as your classroom, okay? And you can send this, you can embed this on a website, you can send it through Microsoft Teams, you can send it through Google Classroom, you can send it to Remind, but we're not done yet, okay? So we want to go to your grid. Okay, by default, it adds a say hello on Flipgrid topic, which is just the kids are able to say hello and say hi and so on and so on. Some teachers have found this useful. Some others decide to just delete this, so you can click on it, and by going to actions, you can hide the topic, you can freeze the topic, or delete. Hide the topic means the students cannot see it. So let's say that you're done with a topic and you want to go to a new topic, you want to hide it. Again, think of topics as assignments. Freeze it, you cannot add any more answers, or delete the topic, you can just delete it, okay? I'm going to delete it. I don't want to see it there, so I'm going to delete it, okay? And now I want to add a new topic, okay? So now my topic today maybe is discuss what you read at home, okay? And then you give a title. You have, by default, you go to 1:30, but you can change this all the way to 10 minutes, which is pretty amazing. They've added 10 minutes. It used to be 5. So I'm going to leave it in 2 minutes. The kids don't have to use all the time, but 2 minutes will be enough time, I think. Please, my prompt is please give a short summary of the book and what you read, what you liked, and what you did not like. Okay, so this could be kind of our prompt. You have the ability to record a video, okay? So if I wanted to have my students actually see me demonstrating how to do this, I could actually click on there and record a video. I could upload a video, I could add something from YouTube or Vimeo, I can upload an image, so the kids are gonna discuss an image. I can add different things, emojis, something from Microsoft, from Google, a Kahoot game, and so on, okay? And then don't create the topic yet. When you're ready, make sure you go to more options, okay? And the reason why we go to more options is that you can give a topic tip, so kind of to help the kids out. You can have attachments in here, so maybe you have something from Google Drive or from your Microsoft OneDrive that you want to add. You can add different attachments to here for the kids to reinforce the learning, okay? And then finally, you have some topic status. You have this video moderation turned off, okay? If you want to be the first one to see the videos when the kids turn them in, you want to turn this on. Maybe you want to review them, but it creates more work for you because you have to approve a video at a time. So maybe you want to leave it off or turn it on, up to you. This is a great feature, students to student replies. The students can actually watch each other's videos and respond to them if you want them to, okay? So I leave that on. My topic is active right now. Again, we have the frozen and hidden depending on where you are, and you can give a due date if you want to, okay? Finally, at the end, there's some video features, selfies and videos, so the kids can take a picture at the end so you know who it is. They can add a title. I take it off for the little ones. They don't have to add a title. I know what the topic is. View count, sticky notes, if you want them to be able to add sticky notes while they're recording, which could be helpful. The ability to video edit. At the beginning, the kids are just going to be doing their videos. They can attach a link, so maybe they have something that they wrote, okay, on Google Docs or on OneNote, anything, PDF, they can attach that for you. You can turn that on or off, and then they can have likes if other students are watching their videos. And you have the ability to give feedback. So by default, we have the basic feedback, which is a rubric that has a category of ideas and performance, but you can create your own feedback too. Okay, so now we're going to create a topic. Excuse me. Your topic is ready. So we're all set. Okay, so there's no responses right now on our topic, but as kids start to respond, you will see how that works, okay? So all you will do is tell the kids to go to flipgrid.com. You will give them that code, the Resinos 0529. The kids will put it in. They will log in with HLP USD or HLP Net, and they'll be able to record. Let me show you what it looks like from a student's point of view. So here is our grid that we created. Okay, it's going to open for us. Okay, It's going to ask the kids to log in with Google or with Microsoft. I'm going to log in with Google just because I used Microsoft before. So this is our students doing it, okay? Okay, here is my grid. By the way, you can change the background. I didn't change it. And then the students, this is a great tool. This is called Immersive Reader. So if our students have trouble reading or they need support, they can click on this and Immersive Reader will take over and change that writing into a different way of looking at the instructions, okay? In which really quick, I'm not gonna spend time on this, but they can separate the words, they can show nouns, adjectives, and so on and so on. They can show the syllabus. They can also show line focus if they want to. They have a translate. There's another video that talks about Immersive Reader in our YouTube channel, but our kids are ready to record now, okay? So I know what my question was. I can click plus. It's going to open to allow the camera, so I'm going to say allow. Okay, now my camera is going to open and now I'm ready to record. I have many options on how to record. I can see my topic up here, what the question was. The student can create sticky notes just to kind of be able to remember what they're going to say. Okay, yet they have the ability to add filters if they want to, text to their presentation, emojis or stickers. They can actually write or draw while they are recording. They can use a board, so think about math. They may be able to actually show you steps to something, okay? So that's available right there, okay? I'm going to clear everything right there. I'm going to go back to my camera, okay? They have the ability to add a photo or a sticker. Maybe they'll put a picture of the book they're reviewing up here or the experiment they did. And when they're done or they're ready, they just press record and they record their video and they turn it in. So this is a great tool that you have that can work for you if your students are not attached to you via Aeries. If you have any questions about Flipgrid, please contact any of your tech tools. Have a great day.